Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video. I hope you are having a lovely Monday so far. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set Color and Contour. I'm also just using some inks. That's Fresh Freesia, Evening Evergreen, and Memento Tuxedo Black. I have two daubers there as well. So Mondays are very simple cards, and there is no reason why you can't have a stunning, simple card. So I have my image here, and I'm inking up my dauber with the Evening Evergreen, and I'm daubing it all over the green parts of this flower. So the stem, the leaves, and then I am taking the corner or the edge of the dauber and sort of just daubing in where I need it. I don't want to get the flowers, or very little. And it's okay if you do, because you're coming in with the Fresh Freesia dauber, and I will be able to sort of scrub away a little bit of the green if it got on. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. Little scrub and then re-tap. It's a light ink, so I got to ink it up really well and daub it down. Sometimes I can barely see what I'm doing, but that's okay. I persevered. I made sure that I covered all of the flowers. I scrubbed away a little bit of the green if I needed. I didn't want to overcomplicate this. I want to show you that you can use stamps, ink, and paper to make a wow card. So yes, we could go in with our color lifter, or sorry, our blender pen and sort of swipe away some. But what happens if you didn't have a blender pen? What happens if you just have ink and a stamp and a sentiment? Or an image and a sentiment stamp. So that's what I'm trying to display here. This is the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. This stamp I hadn't used before, so I twist and I tap, I twist and I tap until I feel like I've got really good coverage. I'm making sure that the card is straight. Simple cards like this will show glaring errors. I stamp down, I hold it. This is in real time, you guys. I wanted to just share with you a real-time card and nothing that's sped up. Now that all the stamping is done, I am abusing the dimensionals, of course, and I am just putting this layer on another basic white layer, folding it with my bone folder, and that is my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section, or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.